Hi folks, Slavik Boyechko here with Test Plus, and in this final lesson, we are going to learn how to export our movie, and I'm going to show you a few different ways to do that. Here's the export option right here. It's called Share in Final Cut Pro 10, and we can have Final Cut Pro 10 automatically compress our video so that it's a smaller file, or we can have it go directly to a DVD or to Facebook or YouTube. For example, if we click Facebook, we can adjust the settings and log in to our account. Or if we go to YouTube, we can do the same and sign in. The reason why I don't recommend exporting directly to a compressed file or to Facebook or YouTube or Vimeo is that if something happens along the way, your internet connection goes bust, or for some reason Final Cut can't log in for you, then you have to go back and start the process all over again, including the compression. What I would recommend is anytime you're done with your video project, export a master file, a full resolution master file, and then using a freeware program called MPEG Streamclip, we can create compressed versions of that file for the web, for YouTube, for Facebook, for sharing with our friends over email, things like that. So let's go to Share here, and let's create the master file. We'll go into Settings. We'll make sure that we're exporting both video and audio, and that our video codec is the source here. We're not going to have Final Cut compress it for us. And then what we'll do is we'll go to our folder where all of our files are already stored. And let's call this Final Master. Now if you notice here, Final Cut will begin to export and you can monitor the progress. Okay, and that took about a minute. We have our final project in full resolution. If we click on Show, here it is, Weekend in Alaska, Final Master. Okay, let's close that. Now let's open up MPEG Streamclip. Again, this is a free program, and I'll link to it down in the lesson description. And we can drag this master file over. We're going to export to MPEG-4, MP4. And these are the recommended options for both YouTube and Vimeo compression. We'll leave H.264 up here. We'll make sure quality is 100%. We're going to limit our data rate. At 720p, the recommended data rate is 5,000. At 1080p, it's 10,000. And declick interlay scaling, and that's about it. So again, we make sure we export it to MP4. H.264 is our compression codec. Quality 100%, limit data rate to 5,000. We're going to leave our frame size unscaled. Uncheck interlay scaling, and there we go. Now let's call this Final Master YouTube. Okay, there we have it. That took about 2 minutes, and now we have our Final Master, which you'll see is almost a gigabyte, and our YouTube compressed version, which is 75 megabytes, about the right size for web sharing. So that's how I recommend exporting your project when you're done editing.